These light and fluffy pancakes are super easy to make, following this basic recipe. Start by placing milk and eggs in a large jug and whisking until combined. In a large bowl, place the flour, sugar, and bicarbonate of soda and stir until well combined. Make a well in the center and then add the milk mixture to the dry ingredients. Use the whisk to stir until a smooth batter forms. Cover and set aside for 30 minutes to rest. Get cooking by heating a large non-stick fry pan over medium-low heat. Brush the pan with a little melted butter. Pour 1/4 cup or 60 ml of the batter into the pan and cook until bubbles appear on the surface of the pancake. Turn and cook for a further 1 minute or until light golden and cooked through. Transfer to a plate and cover with foil to keep warm. Repeat with the remaining batter and melted butter to make 14 pancakes. To serve, divide the pancakes among serving plates. Top with a dollop of cream and sprinkle with berries. Finish off with a drizzle of maple syrup. These basic pancakes are a delicious treat for brekkie, or make a great dessert topped with ice cream.